Some time ago I bought a YouTube course from Matt Parr that teaches you how to make money without showing your face. I got really inspired by that course, and that's why I wanted to show you 13 different ways how you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. As you will find out in this video, you can potentially make hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars per year by creating videos on YouTube without ever showing your face. But I want to point out something important. Even though you can make a lot of money with these strategies, it will require some work. This is not some push button system to riches or making money, but this is one of those proven strategies to make money. A good side about this is that you can get other people to do the work for you, so you don't need to show your faces, you don't need to even create videos if you don't want. You will learn more details in Matt's free training that I will leave you in the description, but now let's go through those 13 ways to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. These are just 13 examples, but there are of course much more opportunities out there. The first example that we have is this channel called 5-Minute Crafts, and this is all about life hacks. And you can find many other similar YouTube channels on YouTube where they show all kinds of hacks. For example, top 10 best hacks for smartphones, relationship facts and hacks about literally anything. And this specific channel, 5-Minute Hacks, is making millions of dollars on ad revenue. According to Social Play, it's making anything up to $9.4 million from ad revenue. And of course they have other income sources as well, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts and other ways. Before I show you the next example, I want to explain to you what is required from you if you want to make money using this strategy. There are essentially 3 steps. First, you need to get some video clips, and you can get them for free, for example from Pixabay. Second, you need to create voiceovers. If you want to do this for free, you can simply use your smartphone. And third, you can use free, non-copyrighted music on the internet. You will find on Google and YouTube. Of course, Matt also shows click by click in his free training, where you will find it in the link in the description. But now let's move to the second example, and that is about history. This channel called Mr. Beat. It talks everything about history. US president, what caused the Deep Depression, what about the North Pole and South Pole, something about geography. On this specific channel, the creator is showing his face, but there are also many other history channels where the creator never shows his face. And based on what I see, this person is creating videos about his passion, which is history. So a great thing about this strategy is that you can make videos about something that you are passionate about, or you can get other people to create the videos for you. According to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $128,000 per year just from the YouTube ad revenue, and of course it may be even higher. This is just an estimate. The third example is called Mashed, and this YouTube channel is all about food, and it takes a little bit funny perspective on food because they talk, for example, what different people eat, like what does Donald Trump eat, or what does Kamala Harris eat, or then they tell like this shocking truth about McDonald's, truth about Krispy Kreme and this kind of thing. And can you imagine, this channel is making up to $600,000 per year from ad revenue according to Social Blade. So this is a proof that you can make even really big money just by talking about food. Fourth example we have in gaming needs. I know that a lot of you, my YouTube subscribers, like gaming. This channel is called Top 10 Gaming, and they create all of these top 10 videos. By the way, this is a great idea for you when you are building a YouTube channel. These top 10 lists or top 5 lists, they are pretty typical on YouTube because people like to watch them and they make good money on ad revenue. This gaming channel creates, for example, top 10 lists about some Fortnite hacks or Fortnite tricks or Minecraft, or you can talk about your favorite game or whatever you want. It creates top 10 lists about anything related to gaming. According to Social Plate, this YouTube channel earns up to $125,000 from YouTube ad revenue every single year. And because it's talking about gaming, I'm sure that they also have other income streams. They could also create a video, top 10 gaming laptops, and then they could leave their affiliate links in the description, and when people click them, this channel will earn money. So I'm pretty sure that what they are earning overall, it's at least double or triple or quadruple the amount that they earn just from the YouTube ads. Number 5 is in the future technology needs, and that's called Venture City. There is something interesting about this channel. It has only 23 videos, and according to Social Plate, this channel with just 23 videos is making up to $125,000 $100,000 from YouTube ad revenue, so that's pretty mind-blowing. And it's talking about all kinds of futuristic things. For example, city of the future, like Elon Musk, Amazon's city of the future, Jeff Bezos, and all this kind of futuristic thing. Like he's imagining what could happen in the future, and then he creates videos about that. If you are enjoying this video so far, remember to smash up the like button and tell me in the comments, do you already have a YouTube channel? Right there, for example, I have a YouTube channel, or right there, I don't have a YouTube channel yet. I would love to hear from you. Sixth example is about geography, and this is called Wonder Why. And they talk about all kinds of facts all around the world. They, for example, fun facts about certain countries, fun facts about solar system, calendar years about the world, fascinating facts about different flags and all these kind of things. Fun fact about every country in the world. So this is pretty fascinating channel. A good thing with this strategy when you create videos is that you can create videos about something that you really love and something that you find fascinating yourself. Then you can literally make money by doing what you love. Number 7 is again about this top list, and this is called top 5 best. And as you have found out, these top 10 lists or top 5s, these are really popular on YouTube, and they are really good if you want to make money on YouTube. They have again top 10 lists about anything, and they have these kind of crazy facts, or for example 10 most shocking trespassing moments ever, or 15 incredible abandoned places due to pandemic, or 10 things that most humans can do. All these kind of shocking things and interesting things, because people want to watch them. They go, wow, I want to see this, they are feel like this. So these kind of videos can really get a lot of views and make a lot of money, because this channel, for example, according to Social Blade, they are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just from the YouTube ad revenue, so that's pretty insane. Next one in our list is top 10's YouTube channel, and I wanted to take another example of this top 10 list to really drill into your mind how popular these top 10 lists are on YouTube. They have also all kinds of top 10 lists, and for example 10 most unexplained videos, or 10 most mysterious holes in the world, all these kind of shocking facts. They have also 10 craziest animal fights, or 10 men you won't believe actually exist. So you can create videos and lists about something that fascinates you, and you might think that people also find fascinating. And this channel also is making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just from the YouTube ad revenue. Before we move forward, I want to remind you that if you want to learn step by step how to make money without ever showing your face on YouTube, I will leave you a link in the description where you can go through Matt Parr's training, where he walks you through click by click how to make money on YouTube with this strategy. Matt Parr himself is making more than $100,000 per month creating videos on YouTube without ever showing his face, so he knows what he's talking about. Number 9 is in this luxury niche, and that is called alux.com. Of course, there are also other similar luxury channels on YouTube, but this is just one of those examples. They show all kinds of luxurious things. They tell, for example, 15 things that you didn't know about certain famous people. They show luxurious things in different cities of the world, for example Milan, Vienna, Rome, so on and so forth. They also create these top 10 lists. So for example, top 10 most expensive watches, most expensive dogs, most expensive fruits in the world, and so on and so forth. So if luxury is something that interests you, you can create this kind of channel on YouTube. Number 10 is about psychology, and here I took an example called Brainy Dose YouTube channel, and according to Social Blade, they are making almost $200,000 per year from YouTube ad revenue. They create interesting videos about psychology, and for example 10 signs somebody is a narcissist, or 10 signs da 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 da. Number 11 is about science, and this channel is huge. It's called What If. By the way, I wanted to point out something interesting about this channel. It is generating hundreds of thousands of dollars, just his English channel, but the same channel has already been translated in many other languages. So this is a trick for you. If you create this kind of YouTube channel in English, for example, then you start making money with it. Take your most popular videos, translate them into Spanish, or hire somebody on Upwork to translate them into Spanish, then upload those videos to YouTube. That can make a nice income. Matt Parr, for example, example, explained in his course that he had a YouTube channel that was making nice income in English. Then he translated it into Spanish. It cost him $3,000 in total, the whole videos. That channel already generated him more than $40,000. So with $3,000 investment in translation, he made $40,000. So that is a tip for you if you start creating this channel. Once some of them start making money, translate them into other languages. This What If channel is creating videos about what if something strange happened, what if you would fall into volcano, what if something would happen. They have all kinds of videos. One interesting thing is that they don't even need to come up with video ideas. They get so many ideas from their subscribers. People always ask, create a video about what if this happened and what if this happened, and then they can just create videos about those. So this is also beautiful. You don't even need to come up with video ideas even yourself. Number 12 is Touropia, and this is especially for those of you who love traveling, because this channel is also making a nice income from YouTube ads, and travel YouTube channels can make also a lot of money from affiliate marketing, sponsored videos and other income streams, because this travel industry is a highly profitable industry. This YouTube channel creates videos, for example, 10 best places to visit in Europe, 10 best places to visit in USA, 10 best places to visit in Switzerland. Again, this top 10 lists that we already saw previously on this video. Then they create videos about 10 most beautiful waterfalls in the world, 10 most beautiful lakes, 10 most beautiful beaches, and all this kind of top 10 lists. And as you can see, this is a huge channel and they are making really good money by creating these simple videos. Last but not least in our list is about sports, and this channel is called Non-Stop Sports, and they are also making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just from the YouTube ad revenue, and most likely also from affiliate links and other income sources. They create, for example, facts about Cristiano Ronaldo and other famous sports players. This specific channel is about sports in general, so they talk about basketball, football. They have also top 10 lists about different topics. One interesting thing is that when you create a channel, you can create a sports channel in general, or you can pick your favorite sport. You can create a channel about football, or channel about basketball, or channel about volleyball, and then you can focus on that. Or you can create one channel about all sports in general. So you can really choose. You have the freedom to choose what kind of YouTube channel you want to create. I wanted to show for you as a bonus this Inside Football. This YouTube channel is focused on football instead of many other sports, and they are also making a really nice income just from YouTube ads and of course from other income sources as well. Now, if you want to learn step by step how you can make money with these kind of channels and how you can get videos on these kind of channels without ever even creating videos yourself, go through Matt Parr's training. I will leave you a link in the description. He knows his stuff. He's making more than $100,000 per month on YouTube. So click the link in the description and get started right there. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help you out personally. And you and me, my friend, we will see you in the next video on Learn to Make Honest Money Online. Have a wonderful day, my friend.